Some unidentified armed persons exploded a bomb at 133 Battalion BSF CI post in Wangjing, Tekchamlekai, under Thoubal district last night at around 7:30. However, no one was injured in the incident. According to reports, the bomb exploded near the sentry post number 4 of the BSF post, and police recovered a Scooty Dio without registration number from the explosion site. The nationwide Janata Curfew imposed yesterday started 7 a.m. till 9 p.m. ended successfully in Manipur and other parts of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the Janata Curfew in wake of the deepening COVID-19 pandemic and as a measure to prevent public gathering ended successfully in Manipur and other parts of the nation, with masses staying inside their houses during the curfew. Later, the public applauded the Prime Minister's initiative by clapping and banging utensils. A combined team of Imphal East Commando and 15 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of militant group KCP-PWG at Yumnam Patlo, Thongkhong in Imphal East on March 21. The team also seized one single-barrel gun with 3 live rounds from the arrested cadre. The arrested has been identified as 38-year-old Soibam Manglingamba Maitei of Yumnam Patlo, Maninglekai, Imphal East. In another racial attack amid the pandemic, COVID-19 at capital city of Delhi, just after the Janata Curfew ended last night, a man in his 40s on a white-colored two-wheeler spat pan of tobacco at 2 Delhi University students from Northeast India while they were on their way to get grocery items from a shop. The incident took place near the university campus at Vijaynagar, single-story, northwest Delhi. The street was deserted because of the curfew, and the man in question took this as an opportunity to carry out the act, report informed. On the face of the ongoing coronavirus outbreak, several entrepreneurs have come forward offering healthcare support. Mahindra Group CEO Anand Mahindra has announced a series of measures that his company would be taking to help the healthcare professionals and organizations. According to reports, in a series of tweets, Mahindra said that the Mahindra Group would be manufacturing ventilators and offer Mahindra Resorts as a temporary healthcare home as the country battles the virus outbreak. Mizoram Chief Secretary Lalnun Mawiya Chungo on Sunday said supply of essential commodities from neighboring states coming via Bairengte is unlikely to be disrupted despite the closure of borders. He said that the state government on Saturday closed all entry points along the interstate and international borders with the order of statewide partial shutdown. In a major attempt to contain the rapidly spreading coronavirus outbreak in India, several states announced they will be imposing lockdown till March 31st. In some of these states, the lockdown is statewide, while in others, only the districts that have reported novel coronavirus cases have been put under lockdown. As on date, 75 districts across the country have reported COVID-19 cases. This decision was taken during a high-level meeting of representatives of the central and state governments yesterday.